It began in Grand Rapids, Michigan, as a downtown distributor providing delivery to neighborhood five and dimes. Over the course of 75 years, Notion's marketing experienced rapid growth.
To meet the demands of a big box retailer who have much more strict service levels, we need to shift from manual processing and being able to control orders manually to being able to control massive amounts of orders. And it takes mechanization and computer systems to keep track of those and hit 24-hour service times.
That led to a massive warehouse expansion and an extensive network of Dematic conveyors and sorters. In the past, Notion's maintenance was largely reactive and costly.
We had a homemade system that we would use. Only one person had access to it. It was very slow and time-consuming, giving out jobs. Some would be forgotten or lost.
To simplify maintenance, Notions looked to Dematic for a solution to improve visibility and accountability. The answer? The Dematic Computerized Maintenance Management System, a robust, flexible software solution that streamlines maintenance, improves uptime, and reduces cost.
It provides accountability for the maintenance department and for the operations folks. So the maintenance guys, they know exactly how much maintenance they need to do. They know exactly how many spare parts they need, both the quantity of parts and the right parts, and they can track their personnel, and they can see and they can forecast what kind of maintenance they're going to need, what kind of requirements they have in the future as well, so they can work with operations to make sure that they have the right downtime to do the maintenance that they need to keep the system running at the optimal level.
The integration of the Dematic CMMS began with a complete, accurate, and personalized data collection process. This allowed for the creation of a consolidated equipment list, a spare parts list, and a comprehensive and efficient preventative maintenance schedule. The result is the deployment of a web-based, mobile-ready solution that provides access to the entire maintenance organization from anywhere in the warehouse.
I think for Notion, the big benefit is the traceability and the trackability of the system and the maintenance. Again, they know exactly what maintenance needs to be done, and they can track the costs associated with those, both from the labor standpoint and from the spare parts usage as well.
The best part is just, we can see what work orders are open. We can see how long they've been there. We can set deadlines on them for the crew to see. We can also have it set for our PMs to automatically fire instead of trying to remember when we're supposed to do them.
For Notions, the difference with Dematic went beyond implementation of the solution itself to their focus and commitment in ensuring the effective utilization of the Dematic CMMS.
I think the biggest part is the data collection and having a means for implementing the data into the system for the customer. We hear a lot of times, I went out and bought this system and it's a year and a half later and we're still trying to get data loaded in, so we're not really using it completely. We will take it from start to finish and make sure that by the time we leave, you're using the system.
Once we gave them the information, they took it from there and built our system for us. We really didn't have to do anything.
Notion's marketing now utilizes nearly every module available to them as part of the Dematic CMMS to manage both their material handling and facility equipment, and is seeing impressive results, both to its bottom line and across the entire organization. In fact, Notions has reduced reactionary repairs by 50% since implementation.
Maintenance expenses need to be controlled, but it's the lifeline of the current system. Without maintenance and a strong maintenance department and a way for them to access what they need fast and efficiently, we are vulnerable to missing our service levels. So we're a high uptime environment, and so it's critical to the operation's success.